Good afternoon, guys. I haven't been able to post a video for the last couple of days. I've been busy working with a student, and so I haven't been able to have the time to get in and record. So today I'm going to record an intervention that's going to go along with our new chapter on division. So we're getting ready to start chapter 6. I have my book right here, so I'm going to show you. It looks just like the books that you've had, but it says chapter 6. And yours doesn't say the teacher edition. So in this new chapter, talking about division, you're going to hear some words that you're not used to hearing. So the first word you're going to hear is divide. Now, we all have heard that word, and you have been told that we divide when we use groups of, right? And so when you're dividing, you're separating a number or a set into equal groups, just like we've done in multiplication when we've drawn groups of. The next word that you're going to hear that you're not used to hearing is called dividend. So if I had a number sentence that said 12 divided by 6 equals 2, the number 12, which is that first number there, is my dividend. 12 divided by 6 equals 2. 12 is my dividend. In the number sentence 12 divided by 6 equals 2, the number 6 is called the divisor. So that's another word that you haven't had before, the divisor. So the next word is a factor. Well, you've heard the word factor multiple times, right? Because a factor is a number that is multiplied by another number to find a product. So if we said 6 times 2 equals 12, 6 times 2, the 6 and the 2 are my factors, right? That equal my product of 12. And then the next thing you've heard multiple times is called related facts. So we know that 4 times 8 equals 32. But if we took 32 and we divided that by 8 to equal 4, that's still a related fact. Did we do the problem the same? Nope. We multiplied one problem, we divided the other, but it's still a related fact because it uses the same numbers. It's in the same fact family. So our intervention for chapter 6, lesson 1, is just going to be introducing you to division. So on this first problem up here, we have Jose packs 54 CDs, and I'm going to underline my important information, into small boxes. Each box holds 9 CDs. How many boxes does Jose pack to hold all 54 CDs? So we know that boxes will be our label. Now, if this was a multiplication problem, which it's not going to be, it's going to be a division problem to show you how to set that up. We would know that we already have our total, which was 54 CDs. He packs 54 CDs. So it would have looked something like this already, if it was a multiplication problem. If it was a multiplication problem, we would know that each box holds 9 CDs, and we would know it's a multiplication problem because it says each box holds 9 CDs. So we would have written that, and we would have had an unknown factor. How many boxes does Jose pack to hold all 54 CDs? And we would have represented that by an N. N times 9 equals 54. And we would have said, what times 9 equals 54? Well, hold up, because we're going to use that as a strategy still. But if it's going to be a division problem, which it is, we're not going to be using this. That's not what our problem is going to look like, okay? Our problem using division is going to look like this. 54 divided by 9 equals what? Well, maybe you don't know. You could say, what times 9 equals 54? And you could use your 9 songs. You could say 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54. Oh, 6, right? But let's say you don't know that multiplication song. and you can't do that, right? You would need another strategy. Well, that's what we're going to learn. So, when we did multiplication, we would draw groups of. And when we do division, we can also draw groups. Well, how many groups do you think we're going to draw? Are we going to draw 54 groups? That would take a long time. Let's draw 9 groups, okay? So if you had a scratch piece of paper, which I don't, this whole thing is my scratch piece of paper, right? So I'm going to draw over here 9 groups. And I'm going to show you how to put one in each group until you come up with 54, okay? Now, are we just going to start sticking ones in and hoping we can fill up all these groups? No. You're going to put one in at a time until you count to 54. This is what we're going to count to. So we would do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. Stop, because we've reached 54. Now we're going to say, just like we did in multiplication, how many is in each group? Well, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 54 divided into 9 equal groups equals 6. So my question said, how many boxes does Jose pack to hold all 54 CDs? We would come under here and write on the line 6 boxes. Now let's do one more for practice, and then I'm going to switch over to the Math on the Spot video, and you guys can watch that. It says, Mary volunteers at the library. She has 36 books to put on 4 empty shelves. If Mary puts an equal number of books on each shelf, how many books will be on each shelf? So we have 36 divided by 4 equals. And maybe you don't know. You could count by 4s. You could sing your 4 songs, right? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36. Ooh, what is that? 9, right? So 9 times 4 is 36, but maybe you don't know that song. You got to figure it out another way. 36 divided by 4, we're going to put 4 equal groups off to the side here. And we're going to count until we reach this 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. And then we're going to count these marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 36 divided by 4 is 9. And on the line, we would write 9 books. We would include our label. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen with you so you can watch the Math on the Spot video. And I hope to see you all after Christmas break because I'm really getting lonely in this classroom all by myself. Right? Sad. Okay. I am going to figure out how to do this. I don't know if I can share my video, so I'm going to pause it for a second. So hold on. Okay, I can't share my video, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to link my video because I can do that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment below to let me know if you think division is going to be easy or not. If you don't think it's going to be easy, let me know. We'll come up with some more strategies and we'll work on it. If you do think it's going to be easy and you're kind of excited for it, because sometimes it's exciting to learn new things, right? So if you're excited for it, leave that comment below too. All right, you guys have a great day and I'll link that Math on the Spot video. See you later.